I have transitioned from my investments background in the Philippines. I've been senior vice president of a stock brokerage and multinational investment company. So when I moved here, I parlayed that background into being a fundraising specialist for nonprofit organizations. So that would be like a development consultant, and it's a holistic approach when I do the fundraising for nonprofit organizations here in Miami-Dade, Washington, D.C., and California Bay Area. And you wouldn't know, just like Emilio, we've had a lot of controversial advocacy programs here in Miami-Dade County, and I prepared my nonprofit organizations to weather the storm. And just right now, we got a notice from Miami-Dade County that due to budget shortfall, their funding, which they have been receiving from Miami-Dade County for more than 10 years, will no longer be available. But because we're being so what focus on leadership, remember, we're leaders, right? So we parlay that into mentoring these nonprofit leaders now to prepare for the storm. And guess what? I'm so glad that we have trained them to network with the city of Miami commissioners, because some places are crossovers between Miami-Dade and city of Miami. They got 25,000 at least from a commissioner of the city of Miami that will tide them over for at least a year. So yes, Toastmasters works. From your practice here, you can parlay that to success in community building.